I'm so glad that we can share these videos that we have for engaged couples. And today we're going to talk about 5 prayers for engaged couples. Nancy and I would agree that probably the best thing you can do for your marriage, even as you prepare for your marriage, is to build your relationship on prayer. Prayer is the best thing that you can do for your future marriage, and not to wait. Sometimes I think we get so busy and we forget to we'll do those spiritual things once we get married. Now's a great time to begin to do this. So we have 5 prayers that are for engaged couples that you can do right now together. And so I want to give you the prayer and then give you a verse with each one. So the first one is praying that Christ would be the center of your relationship. Lord, help us to put Jesus at the center of our relationship and keep Him there as we work towards marriage. May You be the foundation of our lives. Help us to stay the course of faithfulness and devotion to You, to walk in Your ways, not the ways of the world. Provide us discernment when it comes to Your Spirit. Give us eyes to see and ears to hear Your Spirit. Help us to walk in obedience to You. Place in us a hunger for more of You, and help us to flee from the distractions of this world. And then Matthew 22:37-40, Jesus replied, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it. Love your neighbor as yourself. All the law and the prophets hang on these 2 commandments." The second prayer is to pray over the details of the wedding planning. God, please give discernment and peace as we plan this wedding. Help us to keep the main thing, and to set our priorities right. We know that every good gift is from You. We ask that You bless our wedding and make it a good gift to us and all those that attend. Help us to mark this moment of covenant well and fix our eyes on You. From James 1:17, it says, "Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of lights, who does not change like shifting shadows." The third prayer is to pray for protection from the enemy. Protect us from the enemy of our souls. Defend us in our relationship from Satan and his attacks. Secure us from his lies. Help us to fight the spiritual battles within us and around us. 2 Thessalonians 3:3-5, "But the Lord is faithful, and He will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. We have confidence in the Lord that you are doing and will continue to do the things we command. May the Lord direct your hearts into God's love and Christ's perseverance." The fourth prayer is for unity. Help us to be united as a couple. Show us the way to unity. Help us to live harmoniously with each other, on mission together for You. Protect us from division and selfishness. When we disagree, help us to work as a team to come to a good solution. From Ephesians 4:2-3, "Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace." And the fifth prayer, pray that God would equip you for marriage. God, help us to prepare well for marriage. Equip us to be good spouses and to follow You and Your ways. Show us the way to build an awesome marriage. Guide us every step of the way. 2 Corinthians 9:8 says, "And God is able to make every grace overflow to you, so that in every way, always having everything you need, you may excel in every good work." Those are 5 great prayers. If you want more prayers, you can grab 16 daily prayers for engaged couples. It's a printable that I've done, and you can learn more about this in the description of this video. So thank you so much. We're so excited for you. We're excited for your future marriage. We're excited that you want to put God at the center of your marriage, and we just pray that these prayers will help you to do that.